Hey everyone, welcome to That Guy's Review. I just picked up the iPhone Pro 12 and I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to put the screen protector on the phone. Now I purchased the phone case and phone protector from Amazon, and I'll list those links in the description below if you're interested in getting it. But let's get started. Alright, so let's start with the tampered screen protector. Let's pop this open. So it looks like I'm going to have to start off by wiping the screen clean because you don't want any lint or anything trapped below it. So it's telling you to wash your hands, but you can also use the alcohol swab along with the microfabric to clean the LCD screen. So you have a wet wipe and a dry wipe. So we'll start off with the wet wipe and wipe the screen clean before putting on the protector. Okay. Now that that's done, I'll then take the microfiber cloth and wipe this down a little more so it's dry. Just making sure that there's no lint or anything underneath it or on the screen. I've had situations where I had left a little bit of lint underneath and it caused bubbling on the screen, which can be annoying. Continue to see any lint or any sort of particles on the screen. It does come with some of this dust absorbers, like stickers. You can just put this onto the screen and pull them off. I don't think I'm going to use them here because I don't see any lint on my screen right now, so I'm good to go. And the next step is to take the screens out, the screen protectors. Now it comes with 3, which is great. You know, it's more than enough. I mean, I don't think I'm going to have more than one phone unless one cracks. I can replace them. But yeah, let me just move this out the way. Take this out the bag. And you have both sides here. So it says here, remove this mask film attached to this tab. So this would actually sit right on top of the phone, as this contains the sticky part, and this side will be on the top. The next step, I'll simply lay the protector right on top of the phone just as a guide to see where things are supposed to be placed. Alright, so let's get started. Let me slowly peel the top piece off and then just line them up. It's always helpful to have the screen light up because you can see where it should go. If it's all black, then you won't be able to. What I'll do next is just softly press the screen, not too much, or else it'll crack. And there we go. And then the screen protector fits pretty well on it. Had to make a little adjustments, but given that the protector wasn't on it completely, you know, you can kind of move it around. Now that you have it in place, you would simply just smooth out the entire surface with your finger, or you can use the microfabric and just press down on it, and that should pretty much do it. And if you notice any bubbles, just basically use the scratch card to remove them, or you can just press down using your finger. Okay. So it looks pretty good. I mean, I have no complaints so far, and definitely is going to protect the phone from having any scratches, especially if you keep it in your pockets and accidentally put it in the pocket where your keys might be, things like that. I mean, things happen, right? So I actually am happy with the purchase so far. Yeah, and then I have the phone case. Let me take this over here to show you guys. Got this on Amazon as well, and I'll share the description below, or the link below, so that way you guys, if you're interested, you can buy it. And they're both pretty cheap. I mean, I didn't spend more than a few bucks on them. Anyways, let's take a look at the case cover. This is a clear protector, and I'm a fan of the clear protector. It feels rubbery and durable enough to protect the phone. And if you're going to get the Pacific Blue or one of the cooler looking colors, I would highly recommend clear to be able to showcase the beauty of it. Let me go ahead and snap this in place. And it fits fine. Awesome. And it looks really good, you know. And one of the things you look for when you buy a phone casing is to make sure it doesn't block the cameras, and it doesn't do that with this phone case at all. So there you have it, guys. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to drop them below. And don't forget to subscribe and like, as more contents are going to be dropped pretty soon. And until then, see you next time.